Can I get up now?
Yeah, get it.
I fucking hate you. I was comfortable.
I thought he was gonna be your puppet.
Well, he will. Just after a couple more.
And?
Hold on.
I'm still filming.
Sit backwards.
It's gonna be like, shut up. It's gonna be like the computer chair. You know how he gets it slides a little bit and turns.
That's never gonna work.
Yes, it is. I'll eat anything. We
It's
do
like
that one instead.
Schwarzenegger, how to spell.
I'm still filming.
I need 2 monsters, so we can use these 2. I'm come. I'm come. Come on, hips, don't lie. We need to stand.
I love this. We need 2 monsters. He goes, wait for the other 2 available.
I can make it heavy.
Well, that's because I'm filming.
Get up. Please get
I'm
up.
still filming.
Get up, please.
She's like a cat that doesn't want to leave.
Come on, kitty. Oh, God, don't fall.
That was an accident. That was an accident.
She's down.
All right,
That was an
Savage.
accident.
Wait.
Which one would be who? Do you think would be better at it?
Well, he's already fur. He's gotta be the wolf.
All right, so she can be Razor.
And she kind of has an attitude snapping problem, so she's definitely a snapping turtle.
Okay, so furry one, meow. Snapping turtle, meow.
When did I make
Okay.
Well, we
The
got-
theater nerd in me is gonna do this.
Shut up.
Stagger, bitch.
Hey, mama.
Thank you.
So, which one are you?
I'll be Leo. You can be.
I felt drunk.
I don't want to end up still being
Fuck you,
like.
I'm drunk. Fuck you, I'm drunk.
Wait! Wait! First, we should observe.
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 The ancient country. Traditional fight donut.
Yeah.
See?
Sorry.
You do nothing.
Shut up. Your turn. Let's see if you can do it. Go.
I need a box.
No. Stop
Nice.
being Mikey. We'll find it. We'll find a box. We'll use this box. Fuck that box. We'll use a different box. We'll use this one.
Well, yeah.
Because even though it's got stuff, it's a box.
Yeah, no way.
I'll hold it.
Okay, so
I'll be Mikey.
You be Mikey. Okay.
Okay, go. Go.
Wait! First, we should observe the ancient ritual of the, traditional pre-fight donut.
Yeah!
Get over it! Why did I let you talk me into this?
Give it a chance. Hi, guys.
You can give me the number. You can talk like a rag doll.
Donut? I got a donut. Yeah.
Good boy. Good juice.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Now you scream. You gotta growl.
Damn, hold on. Wait.
Because your character actually.
Oh yeah! Where you going? Come back. We're not done.
I'm eating my donut.
Damn it! You're supposed to have already eaten it. Get back up there.
I'm a slow eater.
It's a donut.
You gotta get her to the donut. So you gotta reach into the box, grab her to the donut.
I'm on a diet.
Take the donut.
She's gotta go straight to her hips.
Now already alive.
That's why I'm on a diet.
Now I'm gonna find a way to empty it.
Just put it over there.
Hold on, we'll just change it for the lid. It's okay. Okay, so she's now got the donut in the hand. Like, yeah, eat it. It's a scarf it now. Nom.
I call rape.
We're not done yet, damn it. That's what she said. All right, come on. You're ruining my favorite scene. And then he goes, here, have
What
another.
we're doing.
And
then before you
don't
eat it,
you actually
you
crush the
open your
thing in
hand,
pieces because it's supposed to be a
you
little.
crush it, and inside is like a pill.
Or a
So
It's an ice cube.
oh, he's found the cube.
Uh-oh. There, I told you it wasn't gonna work.
And then the pill disappears. Smack the box out. Wait, we're supposed to run. I'm supposed to run.
Uh-huh.
You're supposed to stay.
You stay because
You
I get
stay.
up here from my
You're
life,
supposed to
which
run.
I'm already doing.
Like run.
I already
I'm
am,
supposed to
so.
go. No. Here.
You
And
stand
then he
up.
smacks the box.
Whoa,
out
where you
of the
going?
hand. Smacks the box out of the hand. I'm like, no.
You grab
my
one.
hands.
And you're
Like
supposed
that.
to throw
And
them.
you're supposed to like spin, and then this way, and then spin, and then throw, and then crack on the ground, and then just kind of
I don't
awkwardly
see a
down,
purpose in leaving.
and then Mikey goes flying. No, Mikey goes flying through the air, and he goes,
Let's smash.
It's like a really bad episode of
He
Who's
gets
Line,
up.
but anyway.
He gets up and he goes, hey, we can do that too.
Oh my God,
Scenes
we do
from a
improv?
hat.
Shh. Mom and Dad are going to sleep.
Sam and I are on the one team.
No, Josh, see my tears. Now I can.
She zoomed in.
I thought Josh was supposed to be your next puppet.
Do it. Bust a move.
Josh is supposed to be your next puppet.
Yeah. It's not a whole freaking production.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, we need to come back with ideas for Whose Lines anyway. The Brockton edition.
You think some black kids?
Well, we can just go to Brockton High.
Greatest puppet ever. It knows the ripple effect. Now it's this way.
It's so sad.
A white guy can
Ah!
dance? Oh my god.
White lady. I am all powerful. You judge no one. Why? Because I'm God. And this, my friend, is your problem. So, hold on. Just let the hand go lump. Where the fuck's my gun? Fuck. Oh well. Looks like I'm screwed at this point. But I'll be back. Run.